We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
And I Joseph Ling. And today I thought we continue to talk about the Dragon Boat Festival, 端午节, because it is definitely one of the three largest holidays in Chinese culture. Basically, the story in a nutshell, there is this poet, very famous poet, and he was also an advisor to the king at that time, hundreds and thousands of years ago, of course. And he kept on advising the king of certain things, but the king just didn't listen to him. Instead, the king listened to the bad guys. And after multiple times, Qu Yuan is his name, by the way, the poet, felt very sad and depressed. And to make a point, he actually committed suicide. Took his life, and just to make a point. And back then, the people knew that he was a good guy. And everybody loved him. So people wanted him to have a good life after his death. People know that he actually jumped into a river. And so that's why they had the rice dumpling, 肉粽, and they would actually throw these rice dumplings into the river, hoping that the fishes and the sharks that you can find inside this river would avoid eating Qu Yuan, the poet. Instead, they would eat the dumplings.
错很强哦，噔噔噔。还有你也这个时节啦，就得看到爬龙山。
爬龙山，什么？
爬龙山就是你。以前有讲嘿咻，划龙舟啦。
Oh, that's right. I just mentioned was the reason for this holiday, and also, why the rice dumpling came about. But there's also the Dragon Boat Festival. Why is there a dragon boat? Because people wanted to go into the river to find the poet's body.
错，请穷年给。
哦。Qiong Yan 就是屈原 Okay, so let's now that you know the story, here are a few vocabs that you should know. The poet Qu Yuan. Qiong Yan. Okay, that's his name. And of course, Dragon Boat Festival. You have to know this. 划龙舟.
爬龙山.
爬龙山. That's the dragon boat, which actually means 爬 is row. 龙山. That's the dragon boat.
不错，大家记得咯。
5月节，端午节。
都得看到。
可以看到。
爬龙山。
So don't forget, on Dragon Boat Festival, you can actually go watch the dragon boat race and have a good time. All right? That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.